Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Excuse the flyaways. Today is a crazy day. I'm running around doing all of the things. We just did a major loft conversion in our loft. Our massive loft has been a homeschool room. It has been Tolly and Lily's bedroom. It has been a family room / video game kick it room for the kids, and it's just not serving its purpose anymore. It's just not being utilized, and I desperately need an office where I can close the door and put my camera equipment and cords so my preteen kids don't steal my cords. And I also need a creative place to sit and be productive. I have a series of videos that I've been wanting to film for such a long time regarding foster care and adoption and things, and I just felt like I haven't done it because I haven't had that dedicated space to sit and set up all my equipment and just keep going back and filming a video every single day. So I'm really excited to get that done. These projects are all 75% done. I also am creating a new room for the baby. So I'm gonna head over to Ikea and grab some things so I can kind of wrap up this process and get a little bit of design ideas. Well, a second ago, I felt like I was talking really fast because I was in line at Starbucks and it was almost my turn. So excuse me for talking like a mad woman, but I got a pumpkin spice frappuccino. So good. Almost done with this project, but this is what was built. It'll look much more finished once the French doors come in. And this is gonna be baby Tezeo's room. I have a glass window guy that's gonna come in and install a glass here that we're gonna frost for a little bit more privacy. But he has a pretty decent window there, and then he'll also get some light from there, and he'll also get a little bit of light from here when this door is open. But this is the space. I'm imagining like a little reading nook area and some acrylic bookshelves. And I have a color scheme in mind, but I'm not sure yet. So you'll see that when it's done. I think the crib's gonna go on this wall, and then I'm gonna do some black and white like photos of him and the kids and mom and dad here, and then a nice plant here. And then this is my office. I'm gonna show you when it's done. It's pretty plain now, obviously, but it's an amazing space. This is gonna be so nice. I feel like the weight is on my shoulders at this stage of the game to collect all my design ideas, order the things, and get everything that I need. I really wanted the office in the back because it has 3 windows that would be a perfect space to film with all the natural light shining through, and I really don't need much extra light when I'm filming. So that was definitely ideal to put the filming / office more towards the windows. I got lucky because there was adequate fence and plugs and air vents on either side for AC and such, so that worked out perfectly. The only thing is that the switches are going to be in the baby's room for the light in the office, which really isn't that big of a deal because the windows provide such an enormous amount of light, and I'm really only going to be working in there during the day, during nap time, and when the kids are at school. So it worked out fine. Okay, so now that you know the plan and you see the space that I'm working with, we're going to head to Ikea and get some frames. That is the name of the game. I need 6 large frames for a project that I'm working on in my office, and then I need some smaller frames. I think that I need something smaller than 8x10, but not a 5x7. I don't know. Do they make something in between? Because I have a really cool idea for baby Tezeo's room. I found some printables that go perfectly with his theme on Pinterest that I want to get printed out. Also, in addition, I don't have a picture of it right now because I moved Tolly and Lily's room out of the office into their own room. I need to completely redecorate and redesign their space. So we're looking for frames, baby Tezeo ideas, and the little girl's room for their room at Ikea today. Let's get going because I really don't have a lot of time. I need to race back and get baby Tezeo his nap so he can stay on schedule. Is it even possible to race in Ikea? We're gonna try. By the way, I mentioned in another vlog that my dad is sick. So the kids and I have been making like little inspirational notes and little letters to him, and I've been mailing one out every single day so he gets something in the mail every day. All right, I'm in the baby section and they have so many options, but not quite the color combo I was looking for. I'm looking for like a fitted crib sheet. I don't see it. By the way, I'm not sure what, I think this is actually to put someone's purse, but it's perfect for his water bottle. Say good morning. Good morning. Yes. We're looking for your room. Hey, we've got to move on. You cannot sit at the table forever. We've got to move on. I know. Today we have to move on, okay? You cannot sit at the table forever. I love that Ikea has these little, like, I don't know, I call them rest areas, where he gets a little antsy and he's wanting to pick up all the glass everywhere. What is that? Oh, come look over here. Of course he wants to take off his shoes. We're not home, buddy. All right, this ended up being a very successful trip. I found more things than I was hoping to find, which is okay, right? So we are heading back in because Mama saw a sale that I could not pass up. It was like a deep, deep discount of exactly what I was looking for the girls' room. So we're headed back in. Hang in there, buddy. I switched to the stroller because he was getting sleepy. All right, that was a success. I got what I needed. Let's go home and show you. You good in there, baby? You good, my love? Are you ready for lunch? He's tired. He's like, Mom, why did you put me through this? So this is the cute little table and chairs that I got at Ikea earlier today. By the way, it's a couple hours later after the kids got out of school. But Tazeo, do you like your table and chairs? Like, he's just chilling like a big boy. Look at his feet. They don't even... Aren't you the cutest thing ever? I think he thinks he's like a big boy, but look, his feet aren't even... He loves it. It's a perfect little addition to this area. I want to get him some fat crayons so he can start learning how to color. How do you like it?
Do you like the music? Or next?
Like, look at these...
Next.
Look at these cute little feet.
Like this?
He's like, Mom. Hi, beautiful boy. Hi. Hi, girls.
I'm giving the music.
You're cueing the music? I can't wait to show you guys the ideas that I have for his bedroom because he loves music so much. We've been getting these, like, you know, he got these for his birthday, for his first birthday. He has a piano, a little mini boombox, a little drum set, like anything music. Okay, I'm getting dinner started over here. I just swept this area. But I've got some hot Italian sausage, just like a couple that I squeezed out just to give the pasta some flavor. I'm just making a quick dinner. I'm gonna add some spinach to it, and then I'm just gonna make this roasted red pepper Alfredo, easy. And then I'm gonna throw in some spaghetti noodles, just a quick dinner. Some of us already ate, so I don't need to do a lot. And I really have been cutting down on the meat. So I really don't need much meat. It's just for the flavor, no salt or anything, because the flavor from this sausage just helps the dish a lot, where I don't need salt. I did salt my pot though for the pasta, of course, for better flavor. Oh, by the way, I got these in the mail today and it came with a whole bunch of labels, but I just think these are so pretty. This is for olive oil and this is for vegetable oil. Now I want more because I want to do like some sauces for my little coffee bar for the fall. And I want one for balsamic because we do a lot of like Italian dishes. So I think that would be good. Some balsamic and oil for like with bread. So I put that here. If you guys see in my other videos, this used to be where I put my like soap like over here, but I found this at Target. Don't worry about this snot thing. Should not be there. But I found this little black one from Target and I think this works better here. And this is too crowded. I need to put this somewhere else. I think I'm gonna put this over here. Just a little bit of cream. I love these glass straws because it just makes me feel fancy. You know what? I need one more thing. Oh yeah. Looks good. I think I need a little bit more water. Should be fine. Let it work. This is good. Let me get some spinach in here. All right, if you cannot tell, I got my lashes done. Can you tell? You like my lashes?
Yeah.
I don't have any other makeup on, so I look a little scary, but the lashes are pretty. Look at them. They look good. I got volume this time for the very first time. Brows need to be done really bad, but I got volume this time. Yeah. Okay, dinner is almost ready. Can you get your homework out so I can check it really quick, please?
Mom,
Yes.
are you making the rice?
I have leftover rice. Yes, I will make your adobo fried rice. I'll heat it up and fry you an egg, but I'm making pasta for everyone else. Dance, 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 dance. Go, baby. Go, 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 baby. Go, go. Let's see if he dances. He's so cute. Okay, did you wash your hands before you get on the game?
Yeah, I'm on it.
All right, let me finish this dinner and then I'll show you what's going on with all this stuff upstairs. Oh, I just love these. They look so pretty. I feel fancy. I've never tried this sauce before, so I'm hoping it works out, but Mom's in a pinch. So we're gonna try it. See how this plays out. And then secret, which it's not a secret, I don't know. If you cook regularly, you know to save some of the starchy pasta water for the pasta to kind of like make it stretch a little bit and be a little thinner. Hard pasta sauce has a tendency to kind of like just get thick all of a sudden. So to keep it nice and creamy, add a little bit of the starchy pasta water to thin it out. I made adobo the other night. So last night I took the leftover adobo and made garlic fried rice and then chopped up all the chicken and potatoes and all the onions and all the yummy stuff from the adobo and made like a garlic adobo fried rice. We have some leftover, so Ace wants to eat this instead of the pasta, so I'm doing that. And I'm frying him up an egg because he loves fried egg on top of it. And then the pasta is almost done. All right, here you go. Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need help. Sit down. Handle business.
Have fun.
All right, handle your business first. Get something to eat. I'll give you some, what do you want, some water or milk?
Some milk.
Okay, let me know if you need help. I'm gonna save some on the side. Is that good? He's got some adobo fried rice too. Girls like it?
Yeah,
Good.
but the chicken's spicy.
A little bit, but it's still manageable, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because you guys like a little spice. Yeah, good job.
I don't think Tolly can handle this one.
Well, she's handling it so far. It was Tully's birthday the other day, and we only had a little bit of a cake at the restaurant. So I picked up a couple of fun things. It kind of slid a little bit because it's like 105 here in Vegas. But it's supposed to be a burger cake. It was so cute beforehand. I thought it was really clever. But then I did get, let me show. Hey, get that before it falls, babe. It's a strawberry crunch cake. So we'll have some of that afterwards. Look how cheap that is. And it looked so good. It's like $11. I don't know. I'm assuming it's vanilla. I don't know. It could be either one. I don't know. We'll see.
Vanilla and chocolate.
We'll see. Let's eat our food and then we'll see. Oh, hello. She has risen.
Finally, after like 5 hours in the dungeon.
The preteen dungeon, which is the bedroom, come out for food.
And go back in.
All right, take a bite of your burger.
Said to Chanel.
But
All right, pick it up like a burger. Ooh, ooh, that's a burger. Let me see. We got the meat and the cheese and the lettuce and the mustard. Or is that's supposed to look like cheese? Mm-hmm. Is it a good cheeseburger? Mm-hmm. The rest of us are digging into this strawberry crunch cake, and it ends up being vanilla. Looks good though.
I love vanilla. Mom, why don't you like vanilla?
I do like vanilla. I just was expecting there to be some type of a layer in it. It looks like there might be, but I don't think so. Well, we'll see how it is. All right, before I completely crash for the night, because after dinner happens, I'm like done. I got 6 different frames. They are 50 by 70 centimeters, whatever that is. 19 3/4 by 27.5 inches. Something like that. So I got 6 of them because I have a really cool project I want to do with these in my office. And then I got 4 of this size. I know I said I wanted between 10 and 8 by 10 and 5 by 7, but whatever, I couldn't find it. So I decided to get this size. It's a 12 by 16 inches, and I'm not going to use this border. That's what it's called. But I got 4 of them because I want to put 2 here and 2 here. Oh my gosh, my idea is going to be so cute. I actually picked this up at Home Goods on the way home because his room is going to have a lot of like black and white in it. So I thought this was a cute hamper, or maybe just like a toy dump thing where you're like, okay, baby, clean up, put it all in there. And then I came home with a few extra bonus things. I have this black shelf. It has some design on it. It's really, really cool. And I have some silver brackets that are really modern. This is going to go in baby Tezeo's room, and I'm going to put like all his shoe collection on it. The theme is going to go perfectly with like displaying all his like Nikes and his cute little shoes. And then this and these 3 other items are lockers. They are white locker systems, 2 small cube ones that are gonna be for like bedside tables, and then 2 larger ones. These are the legs for it. These were originally $170 or $190, and they were on sale for $50 plus $10 for the legs. So $60 each for both sizes. This was a crazy good deal. I didn't plan on like getting this right now. I wanted to concentrate on my office and the baby's rooms, but it looks like I'm doing 50 million projects at once. No surprise here. Yeah, so that's going to be really, really cool. All right, I'm going to get all this stuff upstairs, make sure everyone is showering, brushing teeth, reading their books, and getting in bed. If you guys want to see all the projects, the office, the baby's room, and the little girl's room finished, subscribe and get post notifications. So when I have my next video out, you'll see